magical ride. A better you will come alive. So know that you're stronger. Choose to be happier. It can happen if you say yes to a better you. You can simply be the best. Fear and worries will all fade if you say yes. Say yes. Join us now. Live your life, feel alive. Herbalife. Yes to a better you. You can simply be the best. Fear and worries will all fade if you say yes. Say yes. Join us now. Live your life, feel alive. Herbalife. Herbalife.
This is Rob. He is a taxi driver, but his temporary job has already lasted for 20 years. And this is Kate. She's a pensioner. She is bored of sitting at home and wants to be useful to people. Mark is a retired officer who is now looking for a new business. Nick is a physics teacher. He realized that instead of making a curriculum, it's time to make a plan for his own life. And this is Anne. She is a cashier. She sits still, but dreams of traveling around the world. They are all different, but they have all changed lives with Herbalife Nutrition. It doesn't matter who you are today. What matters is who you become tomorrow.
This is Max, a graduate. He has a diploma, but not a job. Diana is a mom on maternity leave, looking for an opportunity to work online. And that's Matthew. He's a courier, but he already has realized that getting to a dream needs more drive. And this is Alex. He dreams of business, but does not know where to start. Helen is a waitress. She has many friends, but little money. She dreams of having many friends and money. Den is a manager of a large company. At least he was, until he got fired. And this is Alice, a novice travel blogger, but so far only travels through the pages of social networks. They are all different, but they succeeded with Herbalife Nutrition. It doesn't matter who you are today. What matters is who you become tomorrow.
Welcome to Herbalife. Let's shake things up. It starts with our high-quality health and wellness products, designed to support each person's goals. Not to mention, they're delicious. That's why we're the #1 brand in the world in weight management and the #1 brand in active and lifestyle nutrition. Behind all this amazing product, a global team of doctors, scientists, and experts, and a seed-to-feed program, meaning we only use ingredients from farmers who meet our high standards for planting and conservation. But what really sets us apart is our business opportunity. You can't buy our products at the store. They're sold exclusively by Herbalife distributors who have access to nutrition education, coaching tools, and trainings from experienced experts. Our distributors provide the personalized support and motivation their customers need to achieve their nutrition and wellness goals. Some distributors choose to work part-time, while others decide to go all in and work full-time. The best part? you can build a business that leans into your interests and passions and meets your goals. Work from anywhere, anytime. That's because our business opportunity is super flexible. So, whether you're looking for a part-time opportunity or your goal is to start a full-time business, we've got something for everyone. Join our global community of Herbalife entrepreneurs today and live your best life.
Coach, wala kang sounds.
Hello?
Yeah,
Meron na po ba?
coach.
Before we start, ayan po, meron lang po tayong webinar reminders. So, hello po sa ating lahat. Good afternoon po. Ang ating webinar reminders po is no live recording or filming using any devices. No recording, filming, airing using Facebook Live, Workplace by Facebook, Instagram Live, YouTube Live streaming, and or other social media and instant messaging channels. So, yan po yung ating reminder. So, by the way, I'm Coach Jared Reside. Ayan po. Ako po yung magiging host nyo this afternoon. By the way, I was a former jeepney driver. So as you can see, nandyan po. Yung aking dating trabaho po is dating jeepney driver. Pero ngayon po is full-time wellness coach na po ako. Ayan. So papakilala muna ako. Before Herbalife, ayan. So alam naman po natin yung lifestyle ng isang jeepney driver, di ba po? Nakaupo lang yan maghapon and then nagpapawis lang tayo sa init ng makina. Ayan, so to cut the long story short po, dahil din sa unhealthy lifestyle, ayan, so tumaba din po ako ng ganyan. Bumigat din po ako ng ganyan. So actually, naglaro po yan sa 175 pounds, so hindi na po yata updated yan. So, syempre automatic po yan pag overweight tayo or mabigat yung katawan, marami na po tayong health issues or health discomforts. Ayan, so syempre sa murang edad naghanap din tayo ng solusyon. So we do the 20% exercise. So doon ko po ginugol una. Akala ko yun yung solusyon. Nag-diet din pero I found out na parang nagpagod lang ako. And then way back 2021, dito ko po na-meet yung kulang. Kasi 20% lang po eh. Yung 80%, ayun po, dito na kompleto nung way back 2021, inintroduce po sa akin ng aking coach, si Coach Emer Cancino and then sa Cancino family. Ayan, so doon ko pa nakilala ang Herbalife. Ayan, so sinubukan ko po siya. Amazingly po, 3 days pa lang po ako sa program. Grabe na yung pagbabagong naramdaman ko. Magaan yung pakiramdam, yung mga health discomfort ko na madalas mahilo, ayan, madalas magpalpitate, tapos madalas pag minsan nawawala sa sarili, yun nga, lalo na pag nagka-hypertension po, ayun. So na-address po lahat yun, to God be all the glory. So bonus ko na lang po yung pagpayat ko dyan. No? So as you can see, pumayat ako. Pero hindi lang din po yan. Yung na-meet ko yung ideal ko, that is a bonus na para sa akin kasi yung maayos lang yung health issues mo is panalo na tayo doon. Okay? So ayan, and then sa pag-take ko rin din ng product and then also ng pag-attend ng trainings ng ganito virtual. Kasi nung nagsisimula po ako noon, ayan, nagsimula po ako sa virtual. And then nung na-open na po ulit yung mga face-to-face event natin, grabe nung na-reach ko po yung sinasabi nilang supervisor level. Ayan, so doon po ako mas lalong na-amaze dito sa company na to kasi doon ko talaga nakita yung big picture, lalo na nung naka-attend po kami sa first namin sa first local training namin sa Spectacular. So don't miss this, guys. So yung mga bago ditong sign up, so tanungin niyo yung mga coach nyo at sama kayo doon sa ating Spectacular. Huwag niyo i-miss yun kasi doon talaga kumbaga yun yung eye opener ko para sa akin, no, sa mga event talaga. And then doon ako na-amaze kasi just imagine, grabe, we are back up of 300 scientists and doctors yan. Tsaka grabe yung company natin. So worldwide yung company natin, over 95 countries. So grabe, sabi ko doon ako na-amaze. And then yung mga doctors natin, so grabe. Kumbaga yung company ito is back up talaga and then grabe, founded talaga siya na matatag talagang company. So yun. And then nung napunta po ako recently din, na-qualify din namin ni Mrs. yung sa international training is yung sa Singapore po. Dati po, dream ko lang makapuntang abroad para magtrabaho sana. Pero iba po yung will ng Lord. So, ginamit niya po si Herbalife na kami ako kasi grabe. Pumunta po kami, first travel ko po is sa Singapore para yung mga natutunan doon na inspire tayo masyal. At saka yung lifestyle talaga na binigay ng Herbalife and then yung freedom of time. Ayun talaga. So kaya ngayon tinuloy-tuloy namin mag-asawa, inaral namin. Kaya ngayon meron na po kaming nutrition club sa Mapandan, Pangasinan. Ayan, so sinishare na rin po natin yung product natin and then yung health and then opportunity sa ating community. So ayan po, that's why we love Herbalife. So now po, I'm a full-time wellness coach. No? So kung dati ang hawak ko is Manobela, maghapon, ngayon po ang hawak ko is Timbangan. Okay? Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, ayan po sa ating mga friends, sa mga bago dito, sa mga leaders natin, sa mga top teams natin. Ayan, so welcome po. Lalong-lalo po sa ating mga guests. Welcome po sa ating Herbalife business opportunity. Okay, so pag-uusapan naman po natin ngayon is about opportunity. So type 1 naman kung sino po yung gusto ng opportunity, hindi lang sa health, kundi pati din po sa lifestyle natin. So ito po, let's watch these videos. Okay, next. Okay, so ayun oh. Sino po yung na-amaze? Grabe, so sa ating company. Grabe, parang doon pa lang sa video na yun, grabe. Makikita mo na talaga yung company natin is the best talaga. Number 1 in the world. And then, you can live your best life here in Herbalife talaga. So ito po, 2 years also, nursing, powerful, personal transformation. So may mga magsishare din po sa atin ng kanilang mga personal transformation. So ito po, maririnig po natin yung ating mga product results. Siyempre, amazing products equals amazing result po yan. Sigurado po yan. So let's hear from some members of our community. Ayan. So next. Ayan. So tinatawagan ko po si Ma'am Monique Guerrero. So take it away, Coach. Nandyan po ba sila? Ayan, so si Ma'am Elizabeth na lang po. From Baguio naman po ito. Okay, so take it away, Coach. Coach, nandyan ka ba, Coach? Coach Elizabeth? Okay.
Andyan yan kanina.
Nandyan po ba sila? Okay, kung sakali po, next. Next na lang po natin. Maya na lang po pagbalik nila kung sino pa po yung mag-share sa atin. Ayan. So, ayan na lang po. Ang ating isa sa pinaka leaders po natin dito sa Herbalife is si Sir Emer Bonon po.
Magandang Sabado po sa ating lahat. Narinig ba ako, Coach Jared?
Yes po, Coach. Loud and clear po.
Okay. Katabi ko ngayon si Miles. Subalit ako muna ang mag-share. Ako po si Emer Bonoan. Kung makikita niyo po ang aking litrato sa kaliwa, dito po ay 200 pounds po ako noon. And mukhang meron na ako mga nararamdaman tulad po ng high blood pressure. And salamat sa Diyos at nakita po namin ang Herbalife to our daughter. And in taking regularly the products and also our active lifestyle, from 200 pounds po, naging 170 pounds po ako. Kung makikita niyo po kung gaano kagaganda na ng muscle pagkatapos ano po. Hindi lang po yun. Alam niyo po ba, 62 years old na po ako ngayon. And I still continue doing the healthy and active lifestyle. And thank God, up to today, wala pa rin po ako maintenance drugs. Isipin niyo, salamat po sa Diyos, salamat sa Herbalife. So kung gagawin po natin itong healthy active lifestyle natin, magiging ganyan na rin. Sandali lang, may sinasabi si Miles. Nalito. Okay, biro lang po. Alam niyo po, upang ma-maximize po natin ang production ng Herbalife, you should go for the highest discount. That's 50%. Mamaya po, papakinggan po natin yung marketing plan. At ito po ay isa sa pinakamaganda, if not the best marketing plan in the world that I have seen. And very carefully a little later. At hindi lang po yun ho. We also encourage you, like what we did, kasi po, general manager po, sa napakalaking kumpanya dito sa airport. We travel a lot. We take a look at our projects here and abroad. And bakit po kami nag-Herbalife business? Ayan, balik ulit po tayo sa marketing plan. Alam nyo po, ang marketing plan can actually give you this opportunity. The opportunity to reach your dreams and live your best life. Pakinggan ulit po natin. Mamaya, ang marketing plan. Alam nyo po yung aming income po sa Herbalife, dito sa ating Herbalife business, hindi na po bumababa ng 6 figures. Okay, so let me give you my wife. Go ahead,
Hello, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ay alam niyo po pag Sabado nakatutok tayo parati sa Herbalife lang talaga, training 'yan. I'm doing Herbalife for full time for 15 years. I started at age 42, no? So kung nag-start ako ng 42, marami na po ako mga nararamdaman, na akala ko ay napaka-athletic ko, na akala ko ay napakalakas ko, yung pala marami pa lang mga hindi maganda sa mga blood works natin, no? At lagi po akong nasa hospital for severe dysmenorrhea which caused or triggers my asthma attacks, no? But it all started with my daughter. Thank you Herbalife dahil yung anak ko mismo ang naging ano po siya, nagkaroon siya ng mga conditions, sabi niya sa akin, Mommy, please find Herbalife, no? We did the business full part-time muna. Sabi ko noon, gusto ko lang may sariling pera ko sa asawa ko. Gusto ko, I want to be independent as far as income is concerned, no? Financial independence from my husband. Yun ang gustong-gusto ko that time. Kaya talaga sabi ko, gawin ko tong part-time. I was at the airport at 1 o'clock in the afternoon sa airport. That's my job. Tapos 6 o'clock in the morning, meron pa akong maliit na nutrition club sa Terminal 1. So all because of nakita ko yung opportunity, that idea alone of attending a training. Sabi ko, why not? Why not me, no? Bakit ko hihintayin ng 65 years old ko? Bakit ko hihintayin yung pera ng asawa ko, di ba? So might as well attended the training. Sabi ko, gusto ko yung highest level, which is the 50% highest discount. And then sabi ko, I wanted to attend the spectacle, the big event that time was the extravaganza, which is going to happen on May, di ba? So nagpaturo ako kasi hindi ako negosyante. I don't know how to explain the marketing plan. Ang ginawa ko lang, nagpaturo ako, ang aking pong sponsor is a tricycle driver. Tapos pong nagpadala sa akin, nag-inspire sa akin si Mother Arlene sa Philippine Airlines that time. I really love Herbalife. Why? Because I can do it wherever I want. I just came from my nutrition club ng member ko dito sa Commonwealth Market. Amazing po talaga na nakakatuwa kasi it inspires you and excites you, the purpose itself, no? So, hindi lang to sa pera. Of course, pera will come, but the time is very, very important. And the self-development is very, very important. The purpose that excites you. Kahit 58 years old na po ako, kahit mag 60 years old pa, the money will always be there as long as you stick to what you're doing with Herbalife, keep on doing, and the best life will come, definitely. Okay, we thank God for this opportunity, and we thank everyone for staying with us. Thank you.
Ayan, so grabe, nakaka-inspire. Okay, next naman natin. Okay po si Ma'am Shirley and Sir Maynard Aldovino po.
Thank
Teka
you,
lang, ko.
Jared. Yan. So, my name is Shirley Aldovino po. So, I've been in Herbalife for 15 years already po. So, before Herbalife po, ginamit namin siya. Si husband po for weight loss. Wait lang po. And ako naman po, ginamit ko siya for gain weight program po. So, that time po, yung husband ko po kasi was suffering from mga health concern po. That's why
Yan, gusto na rin mag-share ni baby.
pasensya na po. Yan. So, ginamit namin siya for weight loss and gain weight po. So, for 15 years na ito po yung kinakain ng buong family namin. So, grabe lang yung naging transformation namin. So, iba yung energy, mas iba yung vitality mo, mas iba yung pakiramdam mo every single day na gumigising ka ng masaya. And dahil sa results po namin, background po namin parehas kaming empleyado. Wala kaming background sa negosyo, wala kaming alam sa business, parehas kaming mahihain. Pero dahil nga po grinab namin yung opportunity, pinag-aralan namin siya step by step, umattend kami ng trainings, and alam niyo po ba na yung isa sa mga trainings na nag-open ng mind namin, ng heart namin, na ito yung opportunity na magdadala dun sa mga pangarap na matutupad namin, na matupad yung mga pangarap namin is yung spectacular po. So kung hindi ka pa po nakakabili yan, so limited tickets na lang po. So ito yung opportunity talaga kung bakit nag-say yes kami. And for 15 years, tinuloy-tuloy namin siya, full-time namin ginagawa yung business po. So yan, with this opportunity, yung freedom of time na kahit na nasa bahay ako, nagagawa ko yung pagiging full-time mommy, full-time wellness coach, and then bonus po yung mga travels, right? So kami po personally, never namin na-experience makapag-travel kahit local lang. Pero dahil sa opportunity na to, grabe, hindi lang Asia but even in London yan. So grabe yung opportunity, and then recently lang po nakabili kami ng aming second home yan, yung house and lot po. With all Herbalife money, with all Herbalife income. And sabi ko nga po sa inyo, yung ordinaryong empleyado na walang nararating, but because of Herbalife, grabe yung naging vacation, nasasama namin yung pamilya namin. And ito talaga yung opportunity na nagpabago ng buhay namin. So that's why yung first income namin was only 700 pesos, but because of yung passion, purpose, and commitment mo na mabago yung mga tao sa paligid mo rin, grabe yung income namin every single month. We receive over 250,000. So I love Herbalife.
Herbalife. I'm so proud to be part of this team.
Si Jared na, di ba, Shi?
Ako, mother, parang na-out po si Jared. Yes.
Continue mo na lang.
So everyone, yan. So medyo na-lag out lang po. So sorry for yan, technical error din po. So yan, with this opportunity, actually kanina narinig niyo po yung lahat ng story and background. This is open to anyone. So what doesn't matter, hindi tinatanong kung ano yung edad mo, your professional background, your experience. But in this company, what does matter is your great attitude, your willingness to learn and try, and of course, your ability to help people. And of course, ito yung pinakamaganda with Herbalife opportunity. Nakita nyo yung mga results, right? And the income presented by our several distributors. So, I will call on someone yan, who will speak up with the marketing plan yan, kung paano ba nagkakaroon ng income, paano nagkakaroon ng opportunity. So, let's call on our Global Expansion Team, Coach Oliver Mercado.
Ayun. Sound check. So narinig niyo po ba ako? Ayan. Okay, type 1 kung ready na. Ayan, so mag-share ako ngayon ng part ng marketing plan. So, paano nga ba usually, paano mong gagamitin yung result mo para magkaroon ka ng income sa Herbalife? Kasi minsan, yung akala mo na simpleng result, yung akala mo na simple lang na nagkaroon ka ng ganitong klase ng result sa Herbalife, hindi mo alam na meron pala talaga siyang kasamang income. And pwede mo rin siyang magamit para tumaas yung discount mo para ma-reach mo yung 50% discount. Okay? So let's begin. So my name is Oliver and syempre yung wife ko si Joy. Ako po ay dating OFW sa Saudi Arabia. So shout out sa mga dating OFW dyan kung may mga asawa kayong OFW. Yung wife ko naman po ay dating account officer sa Land Bank. Okay, next slide. Yan. So ang naging program ko po ay weight loss program. So before Herbalife, I used to weigh 212 pounds. So reason bakit talaga kami nagsimula sa Herbalife, gusto namin magkaanak. Yan. And alam namin na yung pagiging mataba ay isa yun sa hadlang para magkaroon kami ng baby. Yan. And nagsimula kami nung kami 27 years old. Ngayon po ay 37 years old na ako. Yan. And yung wife ko naman po meron siyang PCOS. Kaya isa rin yun. Kaya nung time talaga na pakilala sa amin yung Herbalife is talagang pinush namin yung program. And yun, hanggang sa nagustuhan namin and then nalaman namin na meron palang opportunity sa Herbalife. Yan. So bilang isang OFW, hindi talaga namin usually na gusto na mag-abroad ako. Yan. So naghahanap talaga kami ng paraan para magkaroon ako ng stable income or ng stable job sa Philippines and dumating yung tamang pagkakataon na meet namin yung opportunity na meron sa Herbalife. Yan. And next slide po. Lifestyle before, puro kulay itim yung damit kasi feeling ko sexy ako pag nakaitim. Feeling ko lang pala yun. Yan, doon po sa amin sa Saudi dati, hindi po kami usually umiinom ng tubig kasi mas mahal po yung tubig kaysa sa soft drinks. Kaya puro soft drinks po yung iniinom namin doon. Yan. And then, next slide. The changes na naging lifestyle namin sa Herbalife is of course, nagkaroon kami ng extended family in Herbalife. Yan. So marami kaming na-meet na mga tao na doon namin nakita na marami pala talaga na naghahanap ng community, marami pala talaga na nangangailangan ng help. Yan yung mga people na yun, sila talaga yung mga hindi mo kakilala. So yung simpleng result din na akala namin na simpleng result lang, na i-share namin sa mas maraming people. And then, ang maganda nangyari sa amin is yung freedom of time. And of course, meron na kaming baby ngayon. Bilang isang OFW po, napakahirap po mapalayo sa family. Yan, kung sino man dito yung may OFW na mga kamag-anak, asawa, alam ko po yung pakiramdam, mahirap po talaga maging OFW. Kaya talagang grinab namin yung opportunity na meron sa Herbalife kasi naniniwala talaga kami na meron talagang opportunity sa Philippines. So yung sipag mo sa pagtatrabaho, dinala lang din namin yung sipag namin na yun sa Herbalife. Okay, next slide. Yan. So ready na ba kayong malaman kung paano magkaroon ng income sa Herbalife? Okay, Herbalife business opportunity. This is scalable, flexible, and global. In short, pasimplihin natin, sa Herbalife, may kakayahan ka kung gaano kalaking income yung gusto mo. Flexible siya. Okay? Pwede mo siyang gawin anytime. Pwede kang magtrabaho in Herbalife kahit nasa bahay, kahit nasa travel ka, kahit saan ka man nandoon. Kaya nga ni Ate Shai din kanina, kahit nag-aalaga ka ng anak mo, pwede mo gawing trabaho sa Herbalife. And guys, this is globally. Okay? 97 countries. Ngayon ko nga na-feel kasi kumikita kami ng income ngayon na nanggagaling pa sa ibang bansa. Imagine mo, para akong OFW na hindi ako lumalabas ng Pilipinas. Ganun yung pakiramdam. Kaya ito na. So let's start. Okay, welcome sa ating Herbalife opportunity. Yan, ito yung part ng marketing plan. Next slide. Yon. So in Herbalife business, okay, here you can learn new skills and develop your personality. Okay. And of course, may mga makukuha kang support tulad ng ganito, support ng Herbalife company, support ng corporate, and support from other people and the leaders of Herbalife. Okay? Dito yung life mo mas magiging meaningful. Alam mo yung meron ka palang naitatagong characteristic na makakatulong sa ibang people. mailalabas yung potential mo nang hindi mo namamalayan. Magugulat ka na lang, yun pala yung personality mo na akala mo hindi pala yun, di ba? So, mailalabas talaga yun. And very rewarding. Very rewarding, guys. Sobrang na-experience ko na to. Yung 4 years kong pagkatrabaho sa Saudi Arabia, nadala ko lang ang mother ko sa isang mall sa Olongapo. Pero sa Herbalife, nadala ko sa Boracay si mama ko. Sa loob lang ng halos nasa 1 year lang namin sa Herbalife. So, very rewarding. Mare-recognize ka yung effort mo, di ba? As in, okay? Yung hard work mo. Okay? Next slide. So, income potential. Okay. Help your customer to reach their goals and build a team to reach more customers and grow your business. In this kind of business, this is people to people. The more you help people, the more na magkakaroon ka ng tinatawag na Herbalife family. Okay? Kasi life muna bago Herbalife. So tulungan mo silang ma-reach yung goals nila. Iparamdam mo sa kanila kung gaano ka-importante sila. 'Di ba? Maniwala ka sa kanila more than na naniwala sila sa sarili nila. Pag naparamdam mo sa kanila yon, sila ngayon yung makakatulong sa iyo para mag-share din sa ibang people. Okay? Next slide. Areas of potential income. Di ba kayo naku-curious minsan? Magkano nga ba usually yung naging income ng isang Herbalife distributor? So nakita niyo po yung mga sharing kanina, di ba? Grabe yung mga testimonial nila. Actually, nakakatawa talaga kasi parang gano'n kila Sir Emer, di ba? Yung, alam mo yung 60 plus ka na wala ka daw maintenance. Di ba? Tapos, wala ka na maintenance, kumikita ka pa ng 6 digit. Di ba? Na-imagine mo kung gaano kasarap ng ganung life. Di ba? So dito, paano nga bang kumita sa Herbalife? Paano nga ba yung result mo is gagawin mong income? Okay? So eto na. Next slide. So here, meron tayong 4 areas of income. Once na ikaw ay naging isang Herbalife distributor, meron kang 4 areas of income. First, we have the retail. Pwede kang mag-retail 25%, 35%, 42%, and yung solid. Solid sagad 50%. Di ba? Next. Ang next income is meron tayong mga wholesale. The wholesale income is the 8%, 17, and 25. Mamaya mas makikita nyo kung paano ibig kong sabihin dyan. Third, guys, royalty. Akala nila yung mga nagkakaroon ng mga royalty, yung mga composer ng kanta, yung mga singer, di ba? Hindi, sa Herbalife, guys, magkakaroon ka din ng royalty. 5% yan in 3 levels. Next, we have this bonus. Yan, so meron tayong tinatawag na bonus. Yun. So bonus, infinity. Guys, yung bonus dito sa Herbalife hanggang 7%. Hindi yung bonus na kung magkano lang yung trip na ibigay ng boss mo. Ito, talagang kung paano kang mag-work, ganun din katindi magiging bonus mo sa Herbalife. And infinity. Okay? Ito, tingnan natin. Himay-himayin natin. Example. Siyempre, ang pinakamataas sa discount na pwedeng ibigay sa'yo ng Herbalife is 50%. 50%. Yan ang pinakasagad na pwedeng ibigay sa'yo. Nagkaroon ka ng sale na 20,000 pesos. Pag 50% kang retail mo doon, 10,000. 8 tao lang yung kikita ka ng 10,000. Retail mo na yon. So iba, magkatrabaho sila ng 1 month para kitain yung 10,000, ikaw, 8 people lang. Next, we have this 25%. Yan. So pag 25% ka, meron kang 5,000. Pag 35% ka, meron kang 3K. And 42, meron kang 1,600. Ang total nito is 9,600. So titignan mo rito, makukuha mo tong wholesale mo sa 15. Hindi yan nadidelay. Kung yung iba Saudi na nadidelay sa Herbalife, hindi. Di ba? So yan yung retail and yung wholesale mo. Ito po yung pangatlo. Yan. Once na magkaroon ka or makakreate ka ng kapwa mo 50%, magkakaroon ka sa kanila ng tinatawag na royalty. So yung royalty na yon hanggang 3 level. Okay? Example na nagkaroon sila ng benta. Nagkaroon siya ng sales na 100,000. Ang 100,000 na income sa Herbalife is conservative na yan. So 5% magkakaroon ka doon ng 5,000. Sa 3 tao pa lang na yan, meron ka ng 15,000. Paano na lang kung meron kang 10 na ganyan? 3 tao lang yan. Kasabay na yan, makukuha mo yan tuwing 15 din. Okay? And next, yung tinatawag po natin na bonus. Yan. Di ba? Ang dami. Teka, sobra yun. Bonus. Ang bonus po, okay, is 2% to 7%, okay? Up to more than. So, meron hanggang infinity. So, yung 4th level mo, 5th level mo, hanggang infinity, magkakaroon ka ng bonus doon. Example nito, okay, so 4,000 pesos. Tapos yung tatlo mo na nasa unahan. So meron kang pigo 4,000 din doon. So diyan pa lang 20,000 na yan. Hindi mo pa nauubos yung sinahod mo noong 15, 5 araw pa lang yun. Meron kang susunod ulit na 20,000. So 20,000 pesos. Ang bonus po sa Herbalife is monthly. Kung yung iba nagbo-bonus sila ng 6 and end of the year sa Herbalife, nagkaka-bonus po ng buwan-buwan. Next slide. Tingnan niyo po to. So ito is illustration na to, you only have, only lang to, 8 customers lang to of 3 non-supervisor members and 1 line of 5 supervisors. Sa gantong klase pa lang ng illustration na nakita namin sa inyo, kumikita ka na dito ng 50,000 mahigit. I'm not sure, pero parang sahod na yan ng mga manager ng mga bank. Yan, so parang ganun. Depende nila siguro kung saang area sila. 54,000. Okay? Nasa level ka na ng medyo hindi ganong hirap-hirap yan. Paano kung ganito yung mangyayari? What if your organization will look like this? Sa Herbalife, hindi mo kailangan ng mga heads, maraming heads, 7-7, wala. Isa lang, it's only you. 1 membership. Sa mag-asawa, automatic conjugal. Ito po yung pinapakita kong illustration kanina. What if meron kang gantong klase ng organization, wide and deep. So sa gantong klase ng organization, ito yung tinatawag na financial freedom. Ito yung tinatawag na passive income. Kahit tulog ka, kumikita ka. Kasi pag hindi raw natin pinag-aralan, nakikita tayo habang natutulog, forever tayong magtatrabaho. Yan. So ito po ay opportunity na meron sa Herbalife na pinapakita namin sa inyo. Okay, next slide. This is the position determines your potential income. So dito guys, pinapakita lang namin dito, no? Pinapakita lang namin dito. Since nag-Herbalife ka na lang din naman, nagka-result ka sa Herbalife, okay, why not kunin mo na yung pinakamataas na discount, 50% discount. Kasi kapag nakuha mo yung tinatawag na supervisor level, makukuha mo po lahat. Magkakaroon ka, ang dami, hanggang 5% ng mga royalties, meron kang 1% World Team Potential Bonus, and then Top Team Potential Bonus, and of course, yes. Of course na, yes pa, yung tinatawag nating vacations. Pwede kang ma-qualify sa vacation. So, hindi yung vacation na kinakaskas mo yung card mo. Ito yung vacation na may enjoy mo. Kasi yung vacation na to, kahit nagbabakasyon ka, pag-uwi mo, meron ka pa rin kita. Hindi yung vacation na pag-uwi mo, nga. Okay? Ganon kaganda meron sa Herbalife. Pwede kang ma-qualify sa vacations. Next slide. And, sabi ko nga kanina, 97 country meron sa Herbalife. More than 95 plus countries. You can do it anywhere. Yan. Kung may kakilala ka abroad, ofera mo sa Herbalife, pakita mo sa kanila yung Herbalife. Kung paano result na meron ka, i-share mo rin sa kanila. Share mo lang yung result. Share lang. Yung iba, share. Live. Tayo, share lang. Diba? Next. Ito ang ladder of success. Okay? Same lang din yan pag ikaw ay nag-work. Pag nag-work ka, gagawin mo yung lahat para makuha mo yung pinakamalaking position sa trabaho mo, kung pinapangarap mo yun. Bibigay mo yung best mo para lumaki yung income mo pag may trabaho ka. Totoo yun. Okay? What if, kung yung sipag mo na yun, kasi mag-i-invest ka din ng time mo, invest mo ng time mo, mag-i-invest ka ng sarili mo, di ba? Abutin ka ng ilang years para makuha mo yung ganung position. What if, ilagay natin yung sipag mo sa Herbalife. Ilagay natin doon. Tingnan natin kung saan ka pwedeng dalhin. And I will make sure 100% na magiging sulit yung ibibigay mong effort sa Herbalife. Kung bigay mo yung todo mo na effort sa Herbalife, ibibigay din na Herbalife yung para sa'yo. Yung todo din. Okay? Next slide po. So much of our happiness depends on how we choose to look at the world. Marami akong nakikita na nagpe-pray, nagsisimba, wala namang kung masama doon. Nagpe-pray sila kung paano makaluwag-luwag sa buhay, kung paano makakaahon sa hirapan. Totoo naman yan. Pinagdaanan din namin yan. Pag nagpe-pray tayo kay Lord, yung ayon na patunayan namin, hindi niya tayo bibigyan ng pera. Bibigyan po niya tayo ng opportunity. Tayo yung bahalang magdi-decide sa opportunity na yon. Ngayon kung nandito ka na nakikinig ngayon, hindi ito nagkataon. Itinadhana to. Maybe, at the back of your mind or experience mo, ipinanalangin mo na to, pinapangarap mo na to na gusto mo makaahon din, na makaluwag-luwag, mabayaran yung mga due date, due na, kung ano man yung mga iniisip mo financially, okay, in your health, financially, your family. Hindi ko alam, pero maaring isa to sa pinapakita sa iyong opportunity. Kailangan lang, kung feeling mo na para sa ito, i-grab mo na. Mag-decide ka na. Okay? And, of course, our big why. Ang Herbalife business po is pwedeng manahin ng mga anak. Kung hindi niyo po nalalaman, pwede siyang manahin ng anak mo. Yun ang difference ng Herbalife business sa traditional business. Okay? So Herbalife, mamanahin nila yan. Okay? So, kaya if you work hard in Herbalife, pagdating ng future, para din yan sa mga magiging anak mo. Okay? Maraming salamat sa mga nandito. Share nyo lang guys, nandito kayo. Of course, kailangan namin ng help nyo para makapag-share sa mas maraming tao in the Philippines. Marami nangangailangan ng help in health and in opportunity. Okay, maraming salamat po sa inyong time. Let's watch this video.
The Asia-Pacific Personal Habits Survey conducted by Herbalife revealed that 80% of consumers in the APAC region experienced changes in their lifestyle habits during the pandemic. Nearly half of the respondents confessed to becoming less active, and 7 out of 10 developed unhealthy eating habits, leading to undesirable results like weight gain, poorer stamina, and a weaker immune system. But the good news is that most respondents intend to make positive lifestyle changes in the next 12 months. They would like to focus on being more active, eating nutritious foods, improving sleep habits, and relieving stress. Some also plan to take nutritional supplements to improve their overall health. Building positive lifestyle habits requires consistency and commitment. If you face obstacles in staying on track, surround yourself with like-minded people to remain motivated and stick to your new healthy habits. Act now to achieve a healthier version of yourself. Remember, it's now or never.
Yan. So, thank you, Coach Oliver Mercado. Yan. So, nakita nyo naman kung paano po talaga nag-earn dito sa Herbalife, right? So, it's just a matter of talagang decision lang. Okay? And ngayon, sobrang excited po akong ipakilala sa inyo. Our next speaker po, yan, actually, a very inspiring woman po para sa lahat. Yan. Siya po yung mother ng lahat. Yan. Help me welcome our 30K International Executive President's team, Mother Arlene Balangue.
Okay, so perfect day sa lahat. Sa mga first time kong ma-meet, marami pong salamat. And slides ko pala. Ako na lang mag-share. Wait lang po. Yun. So, I met Herbalife in 1995. So, more than... Wait lang ha. Yan. Okay na, no? More than 28 years na po akong nasa company. And every time I hear Oliver's story, I'm so touched, so happy. Kasi yun talaga yung naging dahilan why nasa Herbalife ako. Kasi nung una, I was just a discounted customer. Then I went on to an event called Spectacular. So pakisulat po if you're very new, ask your coaches. And for those of you na nandyan na, hindi pa nakadecide, nagdadalawang isip, I want to encourage you, just go. I don't know anong sitwasyon mo sa buhay mo, financially, and in all areas of your life, just go. Just go blind faith. Yun din ang ginawa ko. I never wanted to do Herbalife. But I went, dahil nag-start na rin ako, naintindihan ko na napakaganda ng product experience ko, kaya tinuloy-tuloy ko. Like what Oliver said, you'll never know. Yung how you met Herbalife is, for me also, no, that's God designed that. Hindi mo yan basta decide na nagpunta ka. Talagang siya yung naglagay sa heart mo, umattend ka and all. So sana i-nurture niyo po yung leading na yan. Kasi you'll never know how your life will unfold. And today, you will have a glimpse of my more than 28 years journey po. Then, itong si Jim Rohn, nung na-meet ko sa first extravaganza ko, which, again, kayong lahat, you're at the right time and at the right place to prepare yourself. And if you're a supervisor, you prepare yourself to qualify for that event in May in Bangkok, Thailand. Okay? Don't ever say, lalo sa mga luma, ay pareho lang yan. If yan ang mindset mo, then your life will always be the same. If you're not willing to learn, you're not willing to grow. So sabi ni Jim Rohn, to live a great life is to serve the many. Yun yung una ko narinig sa kanya. And I thank God, this is the life I live today because of Herbalife. Yung buhay na all areas of your life busog, you feel joy, you have peace, and then you feel very, very whole. Because when I met Herbalife, alam ko may kulang kahit na financially hindi namin kailangan ng opportunity. Okay? So sige, let me just continue po. So I'm a mom of 4, and yung last 2 pregnancies ko, ginamit ko po yung products. I was 39 and 41 years old, and I can tell you, because of the amazing products, they were the best pregnancies I ever had. And naintindihan ko dito, so I'm 65, I thank God, wala akong maintenance, very healthy. Yung pagiging healthy ko at 65, sobrang, all these years, ang daming tipid sa medical cost, at yung anxiety that my family can have, no, can experience if ang nanay nila ay may sakit, sinasamahan sa hospital and all, yun ang hindi mo mabayaran sa pera. Kaya alam ko, being healthy at my age as a parent is the best gift I can give them. And nanay na hindi pasaway, nanay na nag-i-inspire sa mga bata, no? So talagang our kids look up to us, our kids, hindi natin na-realize, tayo minomodel ng mga anak natin. Okay? Yan, kahit nga ulan, walang excuse. Doon ako natuto sa Herbalife. In Herbalife, gusto mo maging successful, walang excuse. Gusto mo maging healthy, walang excuse. Kaya kahit ulan, nagchichinelas po ako para maglakad at nakapayong. May payong naman eh. Okay? So, kanina nung naririnig ko yung anak ni Shirley, for me, it doesn't bother me. Because in my more than 28 years, I had 2 more babies. I built this business with 2 more babies. Nagbe-breastfeed ako for 1.5 years. Kahit saan akong Herbalife event, dala-dala ko po yung bata kasi nagbe-breastfeed po ako. So naintindihan ko yung sitwasyon ni Shirley. But Shirley, don't worry. Lahat yan. Lahat ng mga ganyang mga discomfort or mga may kapalit yan in the future. Because when you as a parent do well, your children will benefit. Kaya wag natin gawing dahilan na hindi tayo maka-Herbalife, wala tayong oras dahil sa mga bata. Don't. You have to learn to overcome yung mga ganyang wala kang oras kasi mas lalo kang i-bless ni Lord pagdating ng panahon. And that is why ngayon grateful talaga ako sa Panginoon because I was willing to go through kung ano-anong mga discomfort and kahirapan, tumbling split para lang maka-Herbalife, nagbe-breastfeed sa harap ng maraming taong nagbibigay ka ng training, nagpe-presentation ka. So bigla ko lang naalala. And I love Jim Rohn when he said, what you become is more valuable than what you get. Because here talaga, yung sinabi ni Oliver na 4 areas of income na may royalty, may bonus, retail, wholesale. Guess what? At my level, tumatanggap ka pa every year ng Marcus bonus. So iba pa ding yon, and I'm not at liberty to show that here. I can show that to some of the higher level leadership, no? So not here lang, but doon kayo ma-amaze at how generous Herbalife is. Okay? And hindi lang yung pera, how you develop as the best version of who you can be. Yan yung for me really more valuable po. Then amazing Herbalife business, international business, basta may internet din, anywhere you are, you can do Herbalife. Pwede ka mag-follow up kahit saan po, no? Kaya magandang even yung mag-travel. So these are our recent trips with your president's teams po. Ayan po, you know many of them, no? So that's in front of Fairmont Hotel Lake Chateau in Calgary. Then ito naman sa mga anak ko sa what's this in Italy. So we were there 5 weeks. Can you imagine? So saan galing yung ginastos diyan? Herbalife din. Okay? Kasi nga man tawag doon, ano yan, yung harvest time na si mother, right? But why do I still continue? Kasi ang why ko naman talaga sa Herbalife is like the case of Oliver na I want more Filipinos have the opportunity in the Philippines para hindi na magtrabaho sa labas. Kaya if you're seeing those yung journey ko, seryosohin natin si Herbalife. Kahit hindi mo kailangan ng pera, seryosohin mo because God is going to bless you more so that you can bless many people. Okay? So ito po, these are one of the batches of orphans from the SOS Children's Village na naisama ko po sila sa beach house, no? Yearly I bring them there. Thank God, pwede na ulit magdala. And this is the religious group also na monthly I also support kasi meron po silang mission school for 60% of which are IDAs that go to school for free. Ayan po yung school. So lately we've done a lot of renovations po. So I'm just so grateful sa Panginoon na I can help support this church, this mission school po sa Guimaras, Iloilo sa Hordan. Okay? And itong church din nasa left, tinulungan po mabuo. And then you have on the right, these are para triathletes. Makita nyo naman mga may tabingi ang paa, walang arms, walang paa. Okay, so this is an opportunity for me that I can really help. And itong nasa kanan, lower right, these are street children. They were trained to perform Filipino dances and ballet dances for the country, no, to represent the country. So imbis na palaboy-laboy sa kalye. So up to now, I'm one of their benefactors po. And then I went on to support scholarships po of different foundations, and this year lang to mga 3 graduates ulit. So yun nga hindi mo naman pwedeng ihiga yung perang kikitain mo. Kaya I'm just so grateful na I'm not attached to the money I make because I'm just God's steward. And ito din isa sa mga blessings niya sa ang beach house where I am right now. So I just decided I'll do Herbalife here muna for the next few days. So masarap naman, di ba? Kasi anywhere naman talaga si Herbalife. Okay. And noong 2022, I had an opportunity to renovate my kitchen. Tsaka ko naibulong sa inyo magkano ginastos ko dyan. Okay? Even the living room. So talagang lahat gratefulness. But of course, dumaan ako ng kung ano-anong challenges, but I was willing to overcome all of them because I know I'm a child of God. I am an overcomer and I am not a victim. I am victorious. So yan, this is the life, no? Living a great life that is every single day to serve a lot of people in the community. And walang yan, that's infinite. Bakit? Napakadami all over. I was in Masbate, I was in Bohol, and all in Bukidnon, Cagayan de Oro, and all these different remote areas. Makita mo, kailangan ng tao si Herbalife. Not lang sa products, but sa opportunity. So personally, these are my thoughts about why Herbalife. Una, ito natutunan ko nung nag-masters. By the way, CPA po ako. I finished my masters in AIM. Nagturo ng accounting sa Lasal nung na-meet ko Herbalife. Kaya nag-decide ako na finally quit ko ang teaching ko after my first extravaganza. So sabi doon, if you want to look for a business, you have to have a business that is in a growing and expanding industry. And there's no other industry right now that is growing and expanding kundi wellness industry. And that is the industry we belong. And then makikita nyo din life-changing results. And if you continue to attend yung mga iba-ibang events po namin, nakikita nyo talagang very life-changing ang results ng mga umiinom. And hindi lang sa umiinom, doon din sa mga nag-take advantage ng opportunity. Now, in fact, when it comes to life-changing results, if you have a product that will give you life-changing results, hindi mo problema presyo. Hindi kayo magko-compete sa price kasi iba naman ang value ng produkto natin kaysa cost. Okay? And here you have proven system. All you need to do is follow the system of your mentors, no? Yung dito, we just want to encourage you to just make refinements every single day, no? And whereas if you're in a traditional business, naisip ko lang na lahat sa'yo, sarili mong diskarte lahat. Okay? And isa pa po, this is one business na pwede mong ipamana sa mga anak mo. And alam nyo, like, for those of you who are not aware, my husband passed away. So, yung eldest daughter ko is taking over half of my distributorship. So, yan, na-arrange ko na po yung tawag yan succession plan po. So, talagang hindi, it's all worth it, no? Traditional business, mahirap din kasi ikaw lahat ng different parts ng operation ng isang negosyo ay i-worry mo. Dito sa Herbalife, basta distributor ka, may results ka. You just use the product, you wear the button, meaning find a way na malaman ng mga kakilala mo na nasa Herbalife ka, and then just continue to talk to people whenever there's an opportunity. So ganyan lang din ang ginagawa ko the last 28 years, never really changed that. So eto, your success is with your mentor's guide because success leaves clue. Wala pa po ako nakitang nag-Herbalife na nagsasarili. Okay? Kasi we're all itong business na to based on testimonies, results, and events. And so, kung ikaw lang ang lagi nakikita ng mga tao mo, then I don't think they'll really be able to grow din. Okay? Kasi sabi nila, kasi downline mo kami and all. So, it's better you work with other people, join different events para nakikita din nila. Minsan kasi hindi sila nakaka-relate sa atin. Okay? So, here also an opportunity to work with a team. So, you learn to be a team player. Okay? Pag empleyado ka, own effort mo, own salary. Pag hindi ka napapasok, ay tapos mo na ang leave mo, wala na, no? Wala nang sweldo. Okay? Dito, pwede ka mag-schedule kailan ka magbakasyon, kailan ka mag-Herbalife, etc. Po sarili kong oras, kaya yun ako grateful. Okay, so yon sa professionals naman, like if you're an accountant, you're a doctor, okay, one effort, one income. So may kliyente ka, may pasyente ka, may income ka, but that's it. Yung nakita ko sa Herbalife is what you call passive income or residual income. Na month after month after month, Herbalife is going to reward you with your past efforts in helping grow Herbalife. Okay, you can start to earn supplemental income lang muna, no? And eventually create a path to allow you to have financial freedom. And like I said, in 1995 when I met Herbalife, I never wanted to have financial independence was never my goal. My goal was just to help more Filipinos have the opportunity in the Philippines to work abroad through customer by customers, getting results and building an organization. But tingnan nyo naman yung kapalit na binigay ng Panginoon. Okay, so amazing talaga. Alright, and sa pa po, every day is exciting. Bakit? Because you meet different kinds of people. Nalalearn ka din paano ka makitungo sa iba-ibang klaseng tao. Okay, you go to see different places. You really keep learning and growing. Kasi if your life right now, wala kang opportunity mag-learn, mag-grow, pareho ka pa din, parehong mindset, parehong buhay, parehong attitude. So, how do you expect to have a different 2024 lalo na? So, ang company also has amazing recognition. I-share ko lang to very briefly lang. Minsan nagugulat ako, I receive mga ganitong note and a flower. Talagang they appreciate your efforts in the company. No? So ganun sila ka-generous when it comes to recognition. Then pag may international event, laging may, sa level ko, may laging sumasalubong, hatid ka sa hotel. Pag uwi mo din, may susundo rin. Parang, wow, grabe naman talagang Herbal. Amazing talaga. Okay? Then also travel. So if you also want to travel, actually before I met Herbalife, lagi naman kaming bumabiyahe kasi dati dahil sa work ng husband ko sa chairman ng and managing partner of SGB, marami din biyahe. But ito masarap na biyahe kasi you enrich yourselves and you bring people along with you na never pa nakasakay ng eroplano, so mas meaningful, mas fulfilling. And then here you have a supportive community to help you be the best version of you can be. But yun lang po, pag mag-decide kayo mag-Herbalife, whether you're going to be a customer first or doing both right away, do not leave the community. No matter what problema you have, do not leave this community. Kasi ito yung makakatulong sa inyo to stay focused on your results and on your business activities po. Okay? So here is an opportunity for you to help you grow and expand beyond what you can imagine you can grow. Kasi 1995, gusto ko lang mag-sign up para mag-discount. Yun lang gusto ko. Patingnan mo yung amazing plan ng Panginoon. Okay? Then, yun, no? Very fulfilling. Yan, yung journey ko ngayon, meaningful life every single day. And bakit ka patitingin ng ibang company? Look at all this recognition. We are the #1 in the world. Ulitin ko lang talaga to. Meal replacement and protein supplements combined. We are #1 in the world in weight management and well-being. We are #1 in the world in active and lifestyle recognition. And then sa leadership development program po ng yun sa HN Grow under Better Coaching, sobrang ang dami nating nalunan na recognition for e-learning modules po. So guys, if you have not maximized yung HN Grow sa account mo, I really want to encourage you, like this December, alam ko marami pa yung oras kasi nanonood lang kahit sa social media. We were also awarded sa Direct Selling Association din po, no? And at what's this amazing yung mga online courses natin. And ito this year, yung we're part of Super Brand in the Philippines. Hindi po lahat ng Filipino products are awarded with this one. Okay? So like, ako, I love Nutrition Club. So sometimes nagtitimbang kung gusto ng customer, pero pag ayaw, hindi ko rin po pinipilit. So depende po, no? So I have this club that I run Monday to Friday po, and then I do company presentation. These are just some of the examples I want to show. But this is what I did, which Oliver also really showed you. Ito po ginawa ko. I continued to build first lines. I continue to develop second, third, iba-ibang lines. I continue to work deep and develop them until they qualify supervisor, until some of them are ready to do the business. Because dito sa Herbalife, 3 ang klaseng distributor. Yung discounted. #2, gusto lang mag-retail para makalibre ng inom. #3, yung gusto ng path ng financial independence. So depende. So there's everything everything, no, for whoever. And please remember, guys, God created you to dream. God created you to dream. And this, I love this po. Jeremiah 29:11. I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. So, it doesn't matter kung nag-iiyak-iyak ka ngayon, may mga problema ka sa pera, etc. God wants to remind you ito. Kaya ayusin nyo yung pag-Herbalife, alisin nyo lahat ng mga distractions, move forward, and just trust the Lord, no, to guide you. Kasi ito, Ephesians 3:20, pangako ng Panginoon to. God can do anything, you know, far more than you could ever imagine or guess or request in your wildest dreams. Ako, I'm a testament to this Bible verse na to. Starting with this being a discounted customer, and ngayon amazing life, no? Amazing life, and you all deserve that life because God created you in His own image and likeness. So gusto ko lang po itong i-share, no? Maraming mga bagong gustong mag-start, and guys, siguro let's bring this back. Okay, so every time we share, 90% of the time, kung may sasabihin ang tao, opinion lang niya yon, and 10% of the time, yung facts. But tayo po, focus tayo sa facts kasi facts are the truth. Okay, and wag kayong kung may mga taong nag-o-opinion, do not worry about that. Focus po kayo sa facts. Ano naman yung facts mo? Number 1, yung results mo. Walang makapag-argue sa results mo. Number 2, results of people in the community, your customers, no? Testimony sa products and testimony sa opportunity. Okay? Kasi minsan marami kang talaga maririnig na opinion na minsan nadi-discourage ka. Do not let discouragement allow you to stop doing Herbalife. Continue, kaya nga just be in the community. Naranasan ko ba yun? Napakadami. Pero alam ko yung ano yung dapat kong tatanggapin na information. And now we're over 43 years. Magpo 44 years na po in March. So, saan ka pang company, no? Hindi siya fly-by-night. Isa pa po, very safe. Bakit? FDA registered in over 95 countries, which means 95 times lahat ng ingredients ng lahat ng produkto ng Herbalife ay sinuri ng over 95 countries na health authorities. And right now, there's like 5.4 million successful users and counting. Lalo na po ngayon, sobrang you're at the right time, at the right place kasi grabe yung momentum na nakikreate around the world because of our products. Kasi nga after the fascinating situation, napakadami pong naghahanap ng opportunity, napakadami naghahanap ng products to make them healthy. And then member din po tayo ng Direct Selling Association of the Philippines. And tayo, and also Direct Selling Association of America kasi we are a US-based company. Ito din po, tandaan nyo po ito. We are recognized by the Department of Trade as a legitimate business, not pyramiding. Kaya minsan nagko-comment yung ibang tao, pyramiding, etc. Ibig sabihin din nila naintindihan, no? So just very briefly, when you say pyramiding, wala kang product, kumikita ka sa pagsa-sign up ng tao. Herbalife is not like that. And we are a very legitimate company. So yung mga nagko-comment ng kung ano-ano, wala talaga silang alam. Kaya ako inaral ko yung mga ganyan. Ganito, no? And then number 8, very important, when you start doing this business, ask your mentors to teach you. Okay, yung mga different objections. Kasi common po yung mga objections na nare-receive natin when we start sharing. So just ask your mentors to equip you with that po. Okay, so I think that's my last slide. So yun lang po. Thank you so much, and we'll continue to do this online tuwing Saturday kasi alam namin marami din pong walang access sa face-to-face. So God bless you guys. And Cheryl, meron kang slide for tomorrow?
Yes po, Mother.
Sige, okay, sige. Ako na ikaw na po.
Ayan, so thank you so much po, Mother. Ayan, so guys, can you, punuin natin yung chat box ng heart? Ayan. So really, yung buhay po talaga ni Mother is really a validation of what Herbalife can give yung sa buhay natin. So kung paano nabago yung buhay ni Mother. So sobrang excited ako kasi yun din po yung naghihintay sa bawat isa sa atin. Ayan. So wait lang po, share ko lang po.
Shutterstock Music.
Being in this business gives me the time freedom to be able to do and be there for them.
혼자가 아니라는 생각이 정말 많이 들어요. 게다가 본사의 시스템을 통해서 집에서나 아니면 길거리 지나다닐 때에도 편안하게 일이 시작됐던 것 같아요. 그게 엄마로서 정말 제일 행복한 것 같아요. 정말 내가 잘 했구나. 또 이 일을 시작한 게 정말 만족한 것 같아요.
I'm there during the practices. I don't have to miss any of the games. My favorite part of doing this business is that I'm able to be a present mom.
Yan. So guys, if you keep doing what you're doing now, where will you be in 5 years? Yan. So kung ngayon, bago ka pa lang, right? So ito lang siya. Ano ba yung kasunod natin? Ano yung next step natin? So ito siya. Go back to your sponsor and then it's just a matter of decision lang po. Whether kung gusto mo lang mag-start as a discounted dun sa products, if you want to look better and feel better, kung gusto mo lang ma-enjoy yung discount mo for personal consumption, family use. So we have this, the Herbalife Nutrition Preferred Customer Pack. Yan, you can ask the person invited you, yan. Or maybe ikaw yung person na gusto mo rin ma-enjoy not only the discount but also yung business. Yan. So because yung sponsor natin is the best person who can guide you to do the business. Yan. We have here the Business Builder Pack. Yan. So yan po yung inclusion ng products natin. Okay? So you just pursue your potential as a member and we have the opportunities. Kung meron kang trabaho ngayon, so on top of your work, you can try this as part-time. And maybe, kagaya din namin yan, ako personally, I do this part-time until such time na ginawa ko na po yung business as full-time. Yan. And eto din po, so grabe yung opportunity din. Like, ikaw ngayon as a member and gusto mo talaga makatulong ka sa community mo, ito yung opportunity natin. What if ikaw isa ka sa mga nutrition club operator? Pwede mong gawin ito sa bahay or commercial space. Yan, you can help more people in your community, right? And this is the future possibility of, alam mo po yun, yung bawat bahay, yan, in every home there's a canister, and through you po, matulungan natin yung bawat tao na mabago yung health nila and mabigyan din natin sila ng opportunity. So with this, the future possibility of having 42,000 active business builders, yan, so isa po tayo sa pwedeng magpabago ng buhay ng community natin. And of course, iyan, so this coming December 15 po, we will be celebrating Herbalife 29 years sa Philippines. Iyan, so grabe, excited po ako with Dr. Dana.
Hi Herbalife Philippines, I am Dr. Dana Ryan and I am so excited to be joining you for your 29th anniversary coming up next month. First of all, congratulations on 29 years. That is truly incredible. And this time I won't be traveling alone. I'm so excited to be joining the LA Galaxy as we come to the Philippines for our annual LA Galaxy Herbalife postseason trip. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. First thing you definitely don't want to miss is our Fit Camp on December 14th. So to participate in the Fit Camp, you need to purchase your promo kit by November 6th. And don't worry, if you're not a football player, if you're not a professional athlete, it doesn't matter. This Fit Camp is for absolutely everybody. So come out, join us, move your body, train with the LA Galaxy. It's going to be an amazing experience. And then the following day, on December 15th, I will be there again for the anniversary event. We'll be talking all things sports nutrition, Herbalife products, so you definitely don't want to miss it. Can't wait to see you all there.
Ayan, so don't miss it on December 15. So buy your regular tickets po. This is open to all guests and members po. Ayan.
Hi Herbalife.
250. And of course, yan. So magkita-kita po ulit tayo for tomorrow po for our virtual nutrition club with our very own. Grabe, ito po yung Sunday talagang nilulook forward ko din po na maka-attend dito. I know yung Herbalife products natin for our body, but grabe, ito naman po yung on a spiritual side po. Talagang very holistic talaga yung approach ng Herbalife po. So don't forget to attend po tomorrow at 6:45 a.m. with a special topic, the kind of goals God blesses. Of course, with our mother Arlene Balangue. So you can take a screenshot of the Zoom meeting and you can invite also your family and guests po. So that ends our event for today. So maraming salamat po for joining our Herbalife Opportunity Meeting, and magkita-kita po ulit tayo on our next event. Have a blessed weekend, everyone.
Are you ready to reach the sky, but you're having doubts? I'll help take that out. Do you want a brand new you? Then make your move, and don't you lose that groove.